In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between portrait and landscape view in Zoom, a handy feature that can make your video calls more flexible and visually appealing, whether you're giving a presentation, participating in an online class, or just chatting with friends. Knowing how to adjust your video orientation can be quite useful. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to open Zoom on your device. If you're using a laptop or desktop computer, just click on the Zoom icon to launch the application. Once Zoom is open, the next step is to either create a new meeting or join an existing one. You can do this by clicking on New Meeting to start your own or entering the meeting ID if you're joining someone else's session. Being in an active meeting is necessary because we need to access the video settings that are only available when a meeting is live. Now that you're in the meeting, let's focus on the video settings. Look towards the bottom left corner of your Zoom window. You should see a small video camera icon labeled Start Video or Stop Video, depending on whether your camera is currently on or off. Right next to this icon, there's a small upward-facing arrow. This arrow is important because it gives us access to more advanced video options. Go ahead and click that upward arrow. A menu will pop up showing several options. From this menu, choose Video Settings. This will open up a new window where we can dive deeper into customizing how your video appears to others on the call. Once you're in the Video Settings window, ensure that you're in the Camera section. This is where you'll be able to adjust the orientation of your video feed. Look for the options labeled Rotate 90°G and Mirror My Video. These settings allow you to change how your video is displayed. For instance, if you're trying to switch from landscape mode to portrait mode, checking the Rotate 90 degrees option can help achieve that look. Similarly, enabling the Mirror My Video checkbox can adjust the video perspective to match what you see in a physical mirror, which might make it more intuitive for you during the call. After you've made the desired changes, it's time to close the video settings window. None of the modifications you made will be permanent, so feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with how your video looks. To close the window, just click the Close button. By following these simple steps, you now know how to switch between portrait and landscape views during a Zoom meeting. This flexibility can greatly enhance your video experience by ensuring that your display looks just the way you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful how-to guides in the future.